Okay, now we are going to study practice set 6.6. See, they are given us age of age group of number of persons who donated blood in a blood donation camp in a given. They are given us in the table, and you have to draw a pie diagram. So let us first see what information is given in a tabular form that we write. Pie diagram means we have to draw a circle. In that we have to different sectors we have to allocate. So let us see. Practice set 6.6. Solution 1. Okay. Now age group. Age group, and then we have got number of persons. Number of persons. Now, what is the age group? 20-25 to 40 we have to go. Then 25-30, 30-35, 35-40. This is the age group they have given to you. Frequency is 80. Then we have got 60 and 35. And between 35 and 40 we have 25. Total. Total 80 plus 60. 80 plus 60 is 140, and this is 140 plus 35 is 175. 175 plus 25 is 200. So total is, this is 200. Now we have to find the third column, that is measure of a central angle. Measure of central angle. This is number of person, this part upon total into 360. So it will be 80 upon 200 into 360. So here 0, 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2 18s are. So what will be 18 8s are? 8 8s are 64. 8 ones are 8 and 6. We have 144 degrees. So 144 degrees. Next you see 60 upon 200 into 360. So again you get 2 18s are. 18 5s are 90. 18 6s are 108. So this will be 108 degrees. Next we have 35 upon 200 into 360. Now this will be 2 18s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 2 9s are, and 5 7s are. 7 9s are 63 degrees. So please don't do this rough. You can do it in rough. This calculation you have to do in rough. Don't do cancellation here because it looks very shabby, very dirty, and examiner will not appreciate it. So calculations you do in rough somewhere. So you do is 80 upon 200 into 360. This is 60 upon 200 into 360. This is 35 upon 200 into 360. This is 25 upon 200, 360 degrees. So this is 63. Huh? So 25 upon 200 into 360. 0, 0 cancel. 2 18s are, 2 10s are, 2 9s are, 2 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 5s are, 9 5s are, 45 degrees. So total, this total is how much? See, 144 plus 108 plus 63 plus 45. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. This is 4, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6, 1. 360. So this total is 316 degrees. Now we have to draw a pie diagram. You can write, let radius of circle 3 centimeters. 3 centimeter you take or 4 centimeter you take. Okay? 3 centimeter will be okay because it will be 6 centimeter diameter. So you draw a circle. Okay? Which is about 3 centimeter radius. Take a center and draw a radius. Now we are going to go for first sector, that is class 25 to 25 age, 144. So it will come somewhere here, 144. 90, 10, 20, 30, 40. Somewhere here. This will be 144 degrees. Okay, this will be 80%. These are 80 people. The next will be 108. So it will be 90 somewhere, 108 somewhere here. थोड़ा सा. This degree will be 108. Then you have 60 degrees. And this will be 45 degrees. So these are age 20 to 25, age 25 to 30, age 30 to 35, age 35 to 40. ये हो गया अपना solution number 1. Now we go for second solution. Question 2. Now we try to have two questions. We try to get two questions. Question number 2 and question number 3. Both on our board, and try to see that we accommodate it. Okay. Solution 2. Now here's subject we have. So we have subject and marks. Subject marks. Measure of central angle. Measure of central angle. So English, first is English subject. How many marks secure? 50. Next is Marathi and science. So we have Marathi, science. Marks obtained हो कितने हैं? Marks obtained are पहला 50 था, बाद में 70 और बाद में 80. 70 and 80. फोर्थ सब्जेक्ट है मैथमेटिक्स, उसके बाद सोशल साइंस. मैथमेटिक्स, सोशल साइंस. And then Hindi. Okay, then we have after 80, 90. Then we have 60 marks here. And Hindi we have 50 marks. So what is total summation of FI? This is FI. Summation of FI, total. Or you can put N, total. +50 plus 70, 120, 120 plus 80 is 200, 200 plus 90 is 290, 290 plus 60. बराबर ना? हाँ. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 29, 29, 35, 35, 40, 400. Total marks are 400. Now you have to find the angles. The measure of central angle will be 50 upon 400 into 360 degrees. यह आएगा 70 upon 400. 360 degrees, 80 upon 400, 360 degrees, 90 upon 400 into 360 degrees, 60 upon 400, 360 degrees, 50 upon 400, 360 degrees. तो पहले करते हैं ये 50 upon 400 into 360. ये 0 गया, 0 गया, 0 गया, 0 गया, 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36, so 9 5s are 45 degrees. So ये आएगा 70 upon, तो ये तो फिक्स है ना, तो ये आएगा 7 into 9, next 7 9s are 63 degrees. तो ये आएगा 8 into 9, 72 degrees. Remember, in short, what I am doing is 50 upon 50 into 360 upon 400. So 0 0 cancel, 4 10s are and 4 9s are. So this theta into 9 upon 10 आता है. So this is suppose 50, then this will be 9 5 are 45. It is 70, then 9 upon 10. 7 9s are 63. It is 80, then 9 upon 10. 8 9s are 72. Then we have 90 into 9 upon 10. 9 9s are 81 degrees. Then we have 60 into 9 upon 10. 6 9s are 54 degrees. Same, 45 degrees. This together should give you 360. This entire must be 360. देखो 45 plus 63 कितना होता है? 108 plus 72, 180 plus 81, 261 plus 54, 315 plus 45, 360. So ये आता है आपका 360 degrees completed. Now we have to draw a pi diagram. Let radius of a circle. Three centimeter low, 4 centimeter low. Draw a circle. Circle draw करो. Radius. Center of. First is 45 degrees. So something here. $45. ये क्या है? English. Then 63 degrees something. ऐसे कुछ आएगा. This is Marathi. Draw a bigger circle. Huh? Should be visible. And you should be able to write. Then 72 degrees. This is science. Then you have 81 degrees. This is mathematics. Then we have 45 and 54. No. Properly जाओ. 54. 54 and 45. So this will be Hindi and this will be SS. तो पहले लाइन ड्रॉ करो, देन 45 डिग्रीज लो विद हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर, देन इस पे 0 पे रखो और बाद में यहाँ ये लाइन ले लो 63, देन ये 0 पे रखो ये प्रोटेक्टर और ये 72, यहाँ 0 पे प्रोटेक्टर रखो और ये 81, ये 0 पे रखो और ये 54, ये 0 पे रखो और ये 45. Okay. So we complete this figure. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे आते हैं, सोल्यूशन 3. जगह है तो वी हैव स्पेस, सो यूटिलाइज दैट. Here they are given us in question number 3 the tree plantation. The tree plantation program, the number of tree planted by students at different classes is given in the following table. Draw a pie diagram. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. So different class है, तो ये subject था, so here it will be standards. स्टैंडर्ड कितने हैं? 5th to 10th है. This will be enough. Standards. Then we have got number of trees planted. Number of trees. And this will be measure of central angle. Okay. First is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8. चलो करेंगे. 5th, then 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard and total. तो चलो the number of trees we start. Numbers are 40, 50, 75. 40, 50, 75. And then you got 50, 70 and 75. 50, 70, 75. Total देखो कितना आता है? 10, 5, 10, 17, 22, 29, 36. 35 and 36. 360. Total आता है 360. Now this will be simple. This will be 40 upon 360 into 360 degrees. This will be 50 upon 360 into 360 degrees. This will be 75 upon 360 into 360 degrees. 50 upon 360 into 360 degrees. 70 upon 360 into 360 degrees. 75 upon 360 into 360 degrees. This is Vanza. So this is 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 75 degrees, 50 degrees, 70 degrees, 75 degrees, 360 degrees. Now you have to draw. Let the radius of circle R इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर लो, थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, 3.5 सेंटीमीटर लो, 3.5 सेंटीमीटर और 4 सेंटीमीटर, अच्छा बड़ा आएगा। प्लीज डू दिस ऑन ग्राफ पेपर, ये सब ग्राफ पेपर में करो। आप मतलब एग्जाम में प्रैक्टिस के समय हम लोग रूल पेपर पे कर सकते हो, लेकिन जब एग्जाम में करोगे तो ग्राफ पेपर पे करना। सर्कल कर लिया, ड्रॉ रेडियस। ना पहला है 40 डिग्रीज, तो ये आपका 40 डिग्रीज हो गया, दैट इज 5th स्टैंडर्ड। अभी प्रोटेक्टर यहां रखो, ये 0 होना चाहिए और मेजर करो इसे, ये 50 डिग्रीज हो जाएगा, ये आपका 6th स्टैंडर्ड है। देन 75 ऊपर यहां 0 रखो, प्रोटेक्टर 0, और ऐसे मेजर करो, ये 75 यहां आना चाहिए कुछ, 75 विल बी समवेयर हियर। ये रफ हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड आई एम डूइंग अ रफ, नॉट थ्रू अ प्रोटेक्टर समथिंग। आप प्रोटेक्टर इस्तेमाल करो। 75 डिग्रीज, तो यह था 7th, उसके बाद 50, और उसके बाद तो ये 50 होगा, ये 70 होगा, 75 होगा। सो 8th, 9th एंड 10th हो गया स्टैंडर्ड्स। ये फिगर ड्रॉ हो गया, पाई डायग्राम। Question number 3 completed. Now we go to question number 4. Question number 4 करते हैं। Solution 4. Solution 4 क्या है? फ्रूट्स दिया है, परसेंटेज डिमांड एंड मेजर ऑफ अ सेंट्रल एंगल। तो हमें वापस कॉलम निकालना पड़ेगा। Solution 5. फ्रूट्स हैं 1 2 3 4 5, 5 फ्रूट्स हैं। फ्रूट्स, उसके बाद परसेंटेज डिमांड, परसेंटेज डिमांड, measure of central angle। कितने फ्रूट्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 फ्रूट्स एंड 1 टोटल, तो 6 होनी चाहिए। सो ये 1 2 3 4 5 and 6। Okay, let us start with the fruits. Name of the fruits. पहला है mango. The second fruit is sweet lime. The third is apple. Apples. Fourth is chiku. and last is orange. Percentage demand 30%. उसके बाद स्वीट लाइम इज 15%, 25%. Then we have 20 and 10%. This is percentage, so it has to be 100. होना ही चाहिए. Now this is 30 upon 100 into 360. 15 upon 100 into 360. 25 upon 100 into 360. 20 upon 100, 360. 10 upon 100 equal to 360. अब इसको कैलकुलेट कैसे करें? You find 360 upon 100 कितना होता है? ये 18 and 2. (360 upon 100). Keep 36 upon 10 and common. This is a common ratio and multiply with these angles. देखो 30 करेंगे पहले तो ये 0 से गया. 36 into 3 108. 15 into 36 upon 10. Okay, तो 5 ये 2 18 जा 2 5 जा 5 3 जा 18 3 जा 54 degrees. Next है 25 into 360 upon common ratio 10. तो ये 0 36 common ratio 5 5 2 za 5 5 za 2 1 za 2 18 za. So this will be 90 degrees. 20 into 336 upon 10 0 गया 72 degrees. Take a common ratio of this 36 upon 10 and then multiply with each and every angle. Yeah, 10 into 360 upon 10. So 36. 360 नहीं 36 upon 10. This total will give you 360. Calculate करके देखो. Calculate करके देखो आना चाहिए. 108 plus 54 plus 90. तो ये 12 1 15 1 254 और ये मिला के 8 108. तो ये था 10 6 3 360. Now we draw pie diagram. अब पाई डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं. Let radius of circle r equal to 4 centimeter. हमने रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर ले लिया. अब ड्रॉ करो इसको. पहला रेडियस ड्रॉ करो. पहला एंगल 0 पे रखो और 108. सो 108 विल बी समवेयर हियर. ये 108 डिग्रीज हो गया. बाद में 54. बाद में 90. (72) और 36. तो ये हो गया आपका मैंगो. दिस इज स्वीट लाइम. एप्पल्स. चिकू. Oranges. So question number 4 completed. Now we go to question number 5. इसको इरेज करते हैं. Question number 5. And question number 6. These are like question answers. Question answer दिए हैं उन्होंने. Food, agriculture, electricity. Okay. See what is the question given to you. The pie diagram in the figure 6.13 shows the proportion of different workers in a town. Answer the following question with the help of that pie diagram. If total workers is 10,000, how many of them are in the field of construction? So construction उन्होंने दिया है. अच्छा, I will draw a rough figure तो अच्छा रहेगा. This is the figure they are given you. This is solution 5. And this is solution 6. This also I will draw for you, sorry. So what they have given answers, क्या दिया उन्होंने देखो. Food 48%, construction 72%, 72% is hotel, 90% is production, administration, admin, this is 36%, electricity 24, agriculture 18 and 24, this is 18 and this is 24, this is agriculture, and this is electricity. चलो, so let X workers, we want construction, actual number of workers, okay, let X workers are in the field of construction, suppose, yeah, solution 1 है. Let X, हम जानते, we don't know, so X workers, X number of workers are in the field of construction. This is, हमने assume कर लिया. You have to find the value of X. Therefore we know formula central angle is number of workers upon total. How many total workers they are given to you? 10,000. लिखना पड़ेगा अपने को। टोटल वर्कर्स इन कंस्ट्रक्ट, टोटल वर्कर्स is how much total worker, मतलब सब in all the fields, सब फील्ड में मिला के it is 10,000. Therefore, central angle, this is central angle for construction, this is central angle for construction, will be number of workers in construction upon 10 total workers into 360. Okay, so number of workers in construction कितना दिया है? So this will be x. Central angle is given to us 72. Central angle is 72 upon 10,000 into 360 degrees. So 0, 0 get cancelled. So x will be 72 into 1000 upon 36. 36 ones are 36 twos are. So x will be about 2000 workers. इसका final answer लिखो. Therefore, there are 200 workers in construction. Now we go to second one. The second question they are asked is administration. So हम लोग इसको y लेते हैं या x, y, z कोई भी. Let number of workers in administration. Number of workers in administration उन्हें पूछा है. Administration be y. Therefore, central angle, sorry. Therefore, central angle for administration equal to number of workers in administration upon total workers into 360 degrees. तो ये कितना एंगल है? 36 degrees. This is 36 degrees equal to y upon 10,000 into 360 degrees. 0, 0 गया. So y will be 36 into 1000 upon 36 degrees. So y will be 1000. ये आपका आंसर. This is your answer. Write down in words. There are 1000 workers in administration. Now we go to the third part. Third part में क्या पूछा है? प्रोडक्शन में कितने हैं? ये 90 डिग्रीज है, 90 डिग्री। सो प्रोडक्शन में कितने? लेट नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स इन प्रोडक्शन बी Z. Therefore, central angle for production is number of workers in production divided by total workers into 360. So ये कितना डिग्रीज है? सेंट्रल एंगल इज 90 डिग्रीज. सो 90 डिग्रीज इज इक्वल टू Z अपॉन 10,000 into 360 degrees. 0 0 cancel. So Z will be equal to 1000 into 90 अपॉन 36. तो लाइन का टेबल देखो, 9 10 जा, 9 4 जा, 4 1 जा, 4 25 जा, 4 25 जा 100 and then 0. So therefore Z will be 2500. फाइनल आंसर लिखो. Therefore there are 2500 workers in production. Question number 6. The annual investment of a family are shown in the adjacent pie diagram. Adjacent pie diagram में annual investment of the family दिया हुआ है. Answer the following question based on it. If the investment in share is rupees 2000, find the total investment. How much amount is deposited in bank? How much more money is invested in immovable property, that is a mutual fund, and how much amount is invested in post office. So first of all we'll draw a pie diagram. The diagram which is already there in your textbook, this one, which will give an idea of how the investment is done in degrees. Then we'll find the answers. So this is the investment they have done. Okay, the family has invested, and this is the pattern of investment. So now we'll start answering their question. So they ask us, what if the investment of the share is 2000, find the total investment. So पहला है, this is solution 6. Let the total investment be rupees X. We don't know how much the family has invested in various schemes. So since we have to find a total investment, we assume that total investment is X. Then we proceed further. See, they are given us say 2000 rupees they have invested in shares. Based on this investment, since 2000 rupees is invested in shares, what will be his total investment? We know the investment in shares, we know the central angle, so find his total investment. So, likho. They are writing this. The question has to be, the answer has to be the investment in shares. No, the investment, the actual investment in shares is rupees. Not even rupees. Rupees 2000. Therefore, measure of central angle. What is measure of central angle? It is actual investment लिखो सिर्फ investment in shares upon total investment into 360. What is settled for? For post, for shares. Question is for shares, right? Shares. So this is 60. Investment in shares is 2000. Total investment is X, and this is 360 degrees. We have to find X. So it will be 2000 upon 60 into 360 degrees. So 0, 0 get cancelled out. 6 ones are 6 6 are. So what is the total investment? 6 2s are 12. So it is 12,000 rupees is the total investment. Find answer. Therefore, total investment is rupees 12,000. Now we go to second part. The question number 2 is, how much amount is deposited in bank? Deposited bank angle is 90 degrees given to you. Total investment you know. Find out. 360 degrees you know. So find out. Let the investment in bank, let the deposit, they use the word deposit, no? Let the deposit in bank बी रुपीज वाई, वाई रुपीज ले लेते हैं। Therefore, अच्छा, टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है? टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट वी हैव फाउंड आउट रुपीज 12,000। सो अभी लिखो, therefore measure of central angle for deposit of bank, this will be equal to deposit in bank upon total investment multiply by 360 degrees. So what is the measure of deposit in bank? 90 degrees. So measure of central angle for deposit in bank is 90. So write 90 degrees, then equal to deposit in bank is Y, we have assumed. Total investment we found out it is 12,000. This is into 360. So एक जीरो गया, एक जीरो गया. Okay, 1200, 12 threes are. So what will be Y? Y will be cross multiply cross up. Y will be 90 into 100 upon 3. तो ये 3 ones are 330 are. तो ये होता है रुपीज 3000. तो आंसर आएगा amount in deposit of bank is rupees 3000. Now we go to third question or solution. Solution 3 is, they say how much more money is invested in immovable property than in mutual fund. Now here, please understand, you have to find money invested in mutual fund भी find करना पड़ेगा, money invested in immovable property की भी find करना पड़ेगा, और बाद में you have to find the difference. जैसे हमने यहाँ किया वही चालू करो. Let money invested in, first go for mutual fund. Mutual fund B से M, हमने M ले लिया. Okay, therefore measure of central angle for mutual fund equal to investment in mutual fund divided by total investment into 360 into 360 डिग्री. ये फॉर्मूला जो इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे ना वही डालना आपने. सिर्फ म्यूचुअल फंड का. म्यूचुअल फंड का एंगल कितना है? 60 डिग्रीज इक्वल टू इन्वेस्टमेंट म्यूचुअल फंड हमने M लिया है अपॉन 12,000 इंटू 360, 0 0 कैंसिल करो, देयरफॉर m वैल्यू क्या होगी, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, सो 60 इंटू 1200 अपॉन 36, 6 10s are 6 6s are 6 1s are 6 2s are, so this rupees 2000. Rupees 2000 is invested in mutual fund. अभी हमें थोड़ा इसको इरेज करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज क्वेश्चन बड़ा है. यहां तक तो आप लोगों ने देख लिया है, तो इसको मैं यहां तक इरेज कर देता हूं क्योंकि यहां में दिस वी मे नीड, लेकिन आप जानते हो ऐसी बात नहीं है. सो मैं इसको इरेज करता हूं because every question is different. We have to see this. This is very important. So I'll start from here, continue from here. Okay. Therefore, amount invested in mutual fund is rupees 2000. Now we go to investment in immovable property. Okay, ये solution 6 ही है, third part. Let the continuation of third part है. This is continuation. Let the investment in immovable property B n लेते हैं, या m लिया, अभी इसको n लेते हैं. Therefore, measure of central angle for immovable property क्या है ये? इन्वेस्टमेंट इन immovable property divided by total investment into 360. So immovable property पे investment एंगल कितना है? 120. So this will be 120 degrees equal to ये है n upon 12,000 equal to 360 degrees. So n कितना होगा? 12,000 into 120 upon 360. 0 0 cancel. 12 ones are, 12 threes are, 3 ones are, and 3 fours are. So this is rupees 4,000. So amount invested in immovable property is rupees 4,000. Now we go to the question they asked. क्या पूछा उन्होंने क्वेश्चन? How much more money is invested in immovable property than mutual fund? More money invested. It will be 4,000 minus 2,000. It will be nothing but M minus N. Okay, so it will be 4,000 minus 2,000 equal to rupees 2,000. Right, final answer. Rupees 2,000 more is invested in immovable property than in mutual funds. Question number question number 6 का sub question 3. Question number 6 sub question 3 we have completed. Now we go to question number 6 का sub question 4, last जो part. Okay. So question number 6, sub question 4. What is the question? How much amount is invested in post? Post में how much amount they have invested in post? ये find करना है. Solution 6 and this is 4. Let the investment in post be, say Q amount, rupees Q. Therefore, now total investment is how much? We know, we found out that earlier in the very first sub question of question number 6, and that was 12,000. Now start with the formula. Measure of central angle for post equal to investment in post upon total investment into 360 degrees. So this angle 30 degrees. इसको Q लेते हैं. Q. This is 12,000. This is 360 degrees. 0, 0 cancel out. So Q will be 30 into 1200 sorry, upon 36. 1200 are 1200. 12 3s are 36. 3 1s are 3 10s are. So it is rupees 1000. So final answer देखो. Therefore amount invested in post is rupees 1. Question number 6 is completed. With that we complete practice set.